A day of the week is randomly chosen. How many outcomes are in the sample space? So there are 7 days in a week, so there are 7 outcomes in the sample space. Number 5 says list the outcomes. So this is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Number 6 says, find the probability of choosing a day that starts with an M. That would be 1 out of 7. A day that starts with an S would be 2 out of 7 because it's Sunday and Saturday. A day that starts with a W is 1 out of 7. And then a day that starts with a T would be 2 out of 7 because of Tuesday and Thursday.